people stop and stare. I'll make a killing from this change. Snake eyes and sevens, you.
Right, boys, obviously we said that there's not going to be much car content coming, so I thought like we had a different video planned for today, but might as well get a little bit of extra car content just to satisfy you folk at home. So today we're going to show you getting the Mark IV ready for my trip to Scotland, which is in like 4 hours, so let's get to it. Bambini is also here, of course.
Of course I am. For starters, this hoe's dirty.
It's probably dirty. Can't go to Scotland, the land of felt, apart from Northern Ireland, in a dirty Mark IV. Like. I've done a couple of little bits for my little trips to Scotland. Little fuzzy dice, oh no, solid dice. Then on the mirror there's fuzzy dice. And then I've managed to find some centre caps from the old A5 wheels that I had.
And some mud flaps.
And some mud flaps. We'll be showing you like the whole process of getting all these bits on in the next build video, but as of right now, you just have to see a little sneak peek, I suppose, boys.
Ali has also gone and got this very cool air freshener. Very, very cool little Passeretti. Let us know down below in the comments if you want to see us build a little Passeretti just like this.
She's all for me, and I'm gonna scrub it down.
Sip on Jack instead. I'm here to run the tables. Oh, how dare you call my bluff? Wanna take a spin? Wanna take a run? You know you're dealing with the wild card. If you go all in, I'll make your troubles fall. Might take your diamonds, but I'll steal your heart.
All scrubbed up.
She's all scrubby, dubby and clean. Let's get her back to HQ to get it ready for the trip all the way to Scotland.
So we are back at HQ with Bambini, little Bambini.
Bambizzle.
But if you switch the lights on, there's one side light working. I think that headlight works there as well, but this entire headlight is destroyed because the wiring is ruined. So we're gonna have to stick a new headlight in for now. Boys, don't forget, if you've got a PD, any PD, make sure you get PD specific. I tend to go for manual, but right now I've got Granville in the 150, but it'll say like VW formula like 505 or 505.1. Don't forget to put PD oil in your PD because standard oil will kill it. So I've managed to get this horrible, disgusting headlight out of the shed, but it doesn't matter what it looks like because it's just not going to get me stopped by police in Edinburgh. And that's the back end. So we're going to put some new headlight bulbs in it, and hopefully that fixes my problem. The H7 bulb,
Smashed, absolutely destroyed.
H7 bulb, it should be alright. It's going to stick in here. There's like a little notch that you line it up with, just like that. And then this clip is a bit annoying on the Mark IVs, but it's much easier.
It's annoying in every car, to be fair.
Yeah, but it's much easier with the headlight out. So now that's locked in place. Hatchlight locked in. Not geeks around here, boys. Not usually. Then, boom, clip us in. And then this should go on fairly simple, boys. Just like that. Then this comes up over. And just like that, we've got one headlight in. The side light, we'll have to get out the current headlight.
So this is the one we had, the spare one.
Don't know if you can see it, like, but the filament is neato spec.
It's chilling in the bottom there.
Boys, to get the headlight out of the Mark IV, bit of a nightmare because you have to get the front bumper off. But that's like the scenario with most cars, right? You have to get the front bumper off. Maybe not. But obviously, pop the bonnet. Please do not show it. I swear to God, right, this
show
car.
What?
No.
Show what?
Even. Oh, no, we're not.
Oh, look at
this car, I will do something with it. It's just sat here right now.
No, it won't. It's been sat here for...
Nah, it's been sat here for a long time, like.
Ever.
But bonnet popped, pull the grille off very simply. Then there's just a little clip here. You want to show the clip? That I think you pull it down and then pry it off.
We're just having an absolute nightmare. You'll get there.
I'll get there in the end, boys. I'll get there in the end. Grille is off. Unfortunately, we're not going to be replacing it with a Ottinger grill because I can't find one. But if someone, I don't care where you are, whether you're in Scotland, Ireland, Northern Ireland, Japan, mate, for whatever reason,
Korea.
If you have a Ottinger grill with
Stop
a little
flapping
window
that damn
here,
screwdriver at me, I swear to God.
with a little window, please let me know. I'll give you my kidneys and everything, mate.
They're any good. Try some else.
They're any good. But now we just need to get one, that one's rotted out, 2 Torx screws out the top. Right, so we've got the 3, well, sorry, the 2 out the top. 1 is permanently immigrated into the chassis. Right, we're going to pull the little side grills, not the main one, just the side ones down. Should be fairly simple, just like that, just like that. You want to show it in there? There should be, I can't see it from here, but should be a bolt there. Is there?
Yeah, you can see it on here.
Is it a Torx?
Yeah, it's a Torx.
So there's going to be one,
T30.
there'll be 2 T30s on either side, and then you move to the arch liner.
So I've got the little T20 here. There's just 2 T20s that sit inside the arch liner here. That holds this part of the bumper on.
It holds the splitter and the bumper on.
There's maybe another one up the top. But it's not.
It's the last bit, and then we can get the headlight out. So the arch liner on that side is like, I took it out anyways, so there's nothing holding it in. But we forgot 2 T30s up here, and then that should, in theory, be everything we need to expose the headlights.
Get them naked.
So the mouth of the Mark IV is off. Just 2, I think T25s or something.
They're not T30s.
And then 2 on the bottom there as well. And then that'll be out, ready to get replaced. So this is the old headlight. You can show them the headlight is now out there, Mark IV. Like.
They took my eyes.
So the headlight is out. You can see what was wrong. All the wiring on the side light is chewed up. And then there's
a mouse in there.
like a connector here that is like loose. And fun fact, that was actually causing a fire. There was genuinely smoke coming out of my headlight when I tried fitting the new bulbs.
Huh.
That's why they've been disconnected this whole time. But what we're going to do is get the side light bulb, which doesn't look like it's the right one, but we're going to try to put it in the new headlight and then stick the new one in. Easy peasy lemon flipping squeezing it. We have received the working little bulbino, mate.
Little beanie weenie.
So I'm guessing it's the same way. Look, there's like a little shape in there. It's like those little preschool games you used to play when you have to like match the shapes with like the other shapes.
Did you ever watch that TV show, Hole in the Wall?
Nah.
Huh?
There's been a little miscalculation and the headlight's upside down.
No, that's just the new mod.
Ah, true. Actually, we're gonna have it sticking out like this, like someone just smacked it in the face and its eyes popped out.
US spec.
It's better than you. I hate US spec Mark IVs. They always put like clear tail lights on it, slam it on some horrible wheels, put roof racks on. Mate, if you're watching this and you're American, right, go smack some sense into your boys because they ruin Mark IV golfs while I'm trying to save them, evidently.
America.
So we've tested the headlight and it works, which is great news for everyone involved. But right now, this clip here,
yeah, it hooks into this bit.
It hooks into that little groove and it's snapped on that one. So we're just getting some.
We've got some Minion Spunk Yellow electric tape keeping the theme. So we're just going to tape this down for the time being because it's getting replaced anyways. So
yeah, that headlight is not going to stay for long, boys. We're going to get some very nice, very fancy headlights put on as soon as I'm home, like I promised. But for now, it's getting some more yellow accents put in the car, like to go with the calipers and the dice. Yes, cousin.
Yes, cousin.
Yes, cousin.
Yes, cousin. Headlight is in.
Yeah.
Held on by hopes and dreams. But it's all just going back together now. Ali's having a world of a time.
I'm loving it, boys. Loving it.
You can't wait to go to. You're excited for Scotland though?
I'm quite excited, but quite nervous also for the job and for the car in general. But I think this trusty steed will get me there in one piece. Like,
how many miles is it?
I don't know how many miles, but it's a 2 hour 40 drive. So
2 hour 40, do it. No problem.
No problem.
No problem.
So since I'm going away for a long time, I need to move each one of my cars, starting with the Golf R because the brakes are rusty and horrible. So I'm gonna take it for a little quick spin around and see if it's still working the way it should be. Like, obviously, knowing me, it's 3-door of course, and knowing me being brown and Pakistani, it's the Golf R.
You just have to show your hand to prove you're brown.
I'm brown, don't worry boys. I'm certified to drive a Golf R. But it's a pretty cool car. Obviously, it's not as cool as a Felspec Mark IV, but there'll be videos on this coming, probably not soon, but in the future. This year.
At some point, maybe. Right, so to get Ali ready for his trip, to to get ready for his little 1 month excursion, we have to get rid of his boots. We can fit all of his Scotland loot in here.
Loads of stuff here. We've got
Loads
like
of caca.
spare oil, just crap.
Sump?
This is a standard sump, boys, that I had removed. The car's now got a shower sump. This is the standard sump. Very, very brittle, very fast. So I've had a change for a shower sump. Well, I'll put a photo up now, but we'll talk more about that in the next build video anyways.
Yeah.
But just gonna clear out the boot so I can get probably what, a suitcase or something. I don't know anything about traveling, so we'll figure that out as well.
You'll need more than a suitcase for
more than a suitcase, Bam says, but what would Bam even know?
Nothing. All I know is Bertha's.
So Bambini has managed to sort out the boot.
We also found the most insane marketplace find ever. If you are a real man and you're into cars, I know for a fact, you would like this little Gru looking ass thing. It says don't trust anybody.
Don't trust anybody, to be fair though.
1,500 squids.
Scoot
Whitney
man.
Bay. I'm off me. I'm gone. Do you reckon I can drive it back?
Whitney Bay. But yeah, the boot is all sorted, so we're gonna get the essentials in. I'm taking a little diesel can in case I run out, which I shouldn't because I just full tanked it. Then a funnel for the diesel can, the standard number plates in here, and then there's like probably 2 litres of spare oil.
Yeah.
That if I need to top up or something I can do. A spare H7 bulb, some snips if I need to cut someone's fingies off.
Just leave my fingers alone.
Gloves, check the oil level rag, and I'm going to take some more tools than this, but that's the start like.
Well, obviously we're putting them standard plates back on, aren't we? Because we're
going to stick the standard plates back on because these might be a little bait for the Scottish police. Yeah. Little fact, boys, the Scottish police and the Northern Irish police are very strict on Mark IV Golf.
And they hate brownies.
And they hate brownies, probably. So, going to try to make it a bit more to their standards, like.
Just paint your skin white.
Alright, so we've got some of the essentials put in. Obviously, I need to make some room for my suitcase and my luggage, but I'm going to put some stuff on the front as well because since I put a full tank in it, it's dropped the arse down a little bit, so I don't want to overload the boot and have it like dragging. But
can I come?
Come with us, mate.
Get me in.
Come with us. Thanks, mate. But for now, the golf board's up to temperature. I'm going to go make sure that it still works the way it should do.
And then leave it for another 2 months.
Let's go.
I'm here to see.
We're here to
Ali to the left. At least an hour ago.
And the rest.
Still here.
Slightly late, like.
Slightly.
Yeah.
That's right though, because the boys have brought the Fast and Furious line up, like.
And I've left the Yaris all the way down there.
The Urusio looking as beautiful as ever.
Have.
But I'm ready, the car's ready, so we just need to stick all the packaging, what's it called? Luggage in the boot.
Closing that. He's packed for a whole month. And
Bam looks like he just had
3 pairs of pants.
3 stages of chemo, but he's still here.
Wait, Ali's got 3 pairs of pants the last month, so. So why are you here? I heard you here to meet 13-year-old boys.
I thought they were 11. No comment.
Yeah, mate.
No, it's in there.
Do you think it's green or mid?
Everyone this cup for, man.
This guy is still here. He won't go away.
He's actually missed.
Everyone actually wants to. We're all stood here. We've been here for like an hour and a half.
Yeah, no worries, mate.
Waiting for him to leave.
Come
here.
Dad, you need to garage this. Right, I think I'm safe.
Longest going away party ever.
So everything's packed in the boot and the whole rear bench as well. Plenty for 1 month away, you reckon?
Nah.
You can pack my boot.
Kiwo, fish. Safe, brother.
Safe.
I'll miss you very much.
That's okay. I'll see you in like 2 weeks.
Please don't come back. Anyway, well, the boys suppose you're going to come to Edinburgh in like 3 weeks' time. Inshallah.
Inshallah. I'm not
Kai, my most favourite Kai, Hannah Thompson that I know.
I don't like
Thank you very much.
Thanks, mate.
Well, boys.
No, he's my least favourite guy.
I'm away to Scotland. The Mark IV might make it, we don't know. But we'll soon find out. But the FLATOUT crew, you know how we do.
Round in.
Round in.
Safe.
We'll see you in the next video, boys. Cheers. Safe.
Alright, and he's gone. So if you're a female in Scotland, look out. She's on his way.
I thought it was boys. Watch out if you're a boy, especially 13.
That's nuts. But he's gone. Bye bye.
I'm sure you've had